I'm gonna get our rancher on the phone. I want to find out, does anybody make better lamb besides New Zealand?
Undoubtedly the best lamb in the world, naturally raised, grass-fed, no antibiotic, no grains. They just get this green grass all year round.
Great product on sale, $9.99 a pound. That's half price. I'm Stu, and I'm with our fantastic New Zealand ranchers.
Yeah, wow. Get that right.
Our customers love your lamb.
Oh, yeah, highly nutritious, most natural form of protein you can get. Pasture-raised lamb is a lot leaner, less fat, healthier for us.
These are known as lamb lollipops, a nice sweet treat.
Maybe we'll put a sign up, lollipops, $1.50 each.
Feed a family with that, so it's a good cheap meal.
So tell me about your family more.
Been at it for over 100 years. We'll have about 15,000 lambs.
Wow.
We're outnumbered. Whole New Zealand population really, with 5 million humans, 23 million sheep.
You have more sheep than people. We want to thank you for supplying us.
You keep buying it, we'll keep sending it over to you.
Be safe.
See ya. Bye.